Welcome to our Forex and CFD trading course. Congratulations on taking the first step to your financial freedom. I hope you enjoyed the journey as I take you through all the steps and tools required to become a successful Forex and CFD trader. It took me a long time to get to where I am. 5 years to be exact, with 4 years of success. And now I can finally say I have learned so much during all this period. And I look forward to sharing it with you, and I hope you're ready. Trading is a very risky business, but also it is a really profitable business as well, and it requires patience and perseverance. So if you want to start trading, you need to understand that you need to be patient. Okay? Do not come into trading and expect to be a millionaire overnight. I know a lot of you have seen a lot of videos online of successful traders flashing their money with beautiful cars and all the other things, but what I can tell you is it takes a long time to get to that. You need to be prepared to stay on it and keep working until you become successful. You need to keep improving yourself and your skills every time. You can never say you know it all when it comes to trading. Okay, the systems are always changing and you need to be adapting to change. The markets do not behave the same as they used to before. So you need to know when the markets are changing. Okay, they'll tell you that the markets have a tendency of behaving the same, but there is a slight change over time. So you need to be on it. Okay, you need to have your finger on the pulse. Okay, so in this case, you need to have the fingers on the market trends and everything. Okay, and I should also bring it to your attention that 90% of retail traders lose 90% of their money in the first 90 days. And that is no joke, okay? Anybody who tells you they are traders, or who tells you they're going to teach you how to trade and they don't tell you this, that person is a fraud. That person doesn't want you to know the truth. You need to know all the ups and downs of trading, which is 90% of the retail traders lose 90% of their money in the first 90 days. But I am here to make sure that you are prepared and ready before you can start trading on a real account, because a lot of traders lose their money by jumping into trading with real money while they are not prepared, not having enough information. But I'm here to make sure that you get to that. Now, the whole course duration will take 4 weeks to complete. All right. Now, I know most of you might be thinking that's not enough time, but trust me, with the experience I have gained over the past 4 years, I will try by all means to make sure that you are prepared in 4 weeks. All right. The 4 weeks consist of Forex lessons, and I'm also be giving Forex signals. Okay. The 4 weeks has 8 modules with 16 Forex lessons. All right. The reason I'm giving free Forex signals is to make sure that you get a head start. The same head start that I wish I had when I started Forex trading. All right. Now, looking at the full course information, the course consists of 8 modules. Each module pushes you deeper into understanding Forex and CFD trading. You'll be surprised to learn that a lot of people whom you think are Forex traders are actually CFD traders. Okay, and most of them have no idea, and then they still call themselves Forex traders while they are CFD traders. But do not worry, we will clarify this more into the course. We will explain the difference between Forex trading and CFD trading. Now, we will tackle 2 modules per week, and each module has 2 lessons. One lesson will be pre-recorded. Okay, so I will record it during the duration of the course, but then we will also have a live lesson. Okay, there will also be a live lesson which will be presented live. In the live lesson, you will be able to ask questions, and I'll be able to answer them live to you. All right, so the live lesson will consist of a summary of the previous lesson, and then we'll also have time dedicated to answering questions live. Okay, I know a lot of people love live interaction, so this will make sure that you get your answers, you get your questions answered live. Okay, I'm trying by all means to give you all the support I can, okay, at no cost at all. Now, I understand that you learn better by doing, especially when it comes to Forex trading. Okay, which is why I will try by all means to introduce paper trading as soon as possible. Okay, that is trading on a demo account. Okay, you have to understand that never start trading on a real account unless you become successful on a demo account. Even though becoming successful on a demo account doesn't ensure that you will be successful on a real account, but it also gives you some sort of guidance, gives you some sort of a green light to tell you that, you know what, you can make it in a real account. If you fail on a demo account, my suggestion would stop it. Okay, don't trade, because you are going to lose money. Okay, because nobody ever gets used to losing money. All right, nobody ever gets used to losing money. No matter how much it is, you will never get used to losing money. So if you're losing money on a demo account, it will be worse on a real account. But if you're making money on a demo account, you have a higher chance of making it on a real account. Okay, so I will try by all means to introduce the demo account as soon as possible. Okay, now throughout the whole duration of the course, you will have personal support, okay, from us, from me actually, because I'll be working with my team. I'll try to tell them to help me wherever I see possible. Okay, because once you start trading, you need to associate with other traders, which is what I did. So I will try to make sure that they can help me wherever possible. Okay, so you will be able to send us questions via WhatsApp and we will answer you as soon as possible. Okay, now as you progress through the course, I will be giving away free signals, and trust me, these are real signals. I won't be messing with anybody. I won't give you a signal that I don't believe will actually make you money. So I will be giving away free signals during the whole course. Okay, now this is to ensure that upon completing the course, you will have earned enough profit to withdraw at least half or your entire initial investment. All right, that will help you get a real head start. Okay, now that's the same head start I wish I had. Okay, now the best thing in trading is to start with zero initial investment. That is to start with zero money. That means you will start with no money at all. So you will invest, let's say you invest your money, let's say you invest about 4,500 of your money, and then you double it. As soon as you double that money, withdraw your 4,500 that you started with. Okay, now all of a sudden you've started with zero. Okay, so there's not too much feelings attached to it. All right, because you have withdrawn, you have withdrew your initial investment. That is what I am trying to make possible with this in this course. Okay, that is why I'm giving away free signals, to make sure you get a head start. Okay, now looking at the modules, we can see that we have lesson 1, which is an introduction to Forex and CFD trading. Lesson 2, we'll be looking at candlesticks. Lesson 3 is the trading frameworks, which is support and resistance. Lesson 4, we're looking at opening your demo account. Lesson 5, technical charting. Lesson 6, building your trading toolkit. Lesson 7 is the psychology of trading. And lastly, lesson 8, which is risk management. Okay, you need to understand that as we progress through these lessons, their importance increases. Okay, the deeper the lesson is, the deeper their importance, the more important they are. All right, so lesson 1, I'm not saying lesson 1 is least important than lesson 8. I'm saying as you progress through, they become really important because you get deeper and deeper into trading. So you need to understand that. Okay, now looking at the modules, the schedule of the modules, each module has 2 lessons. Okay, each module has 2 lessons. Okay, the uploaded lesson, which will be pre-recorded, okay, and the live lesson. All right, so the live lessons, you remember, there will be, it's a summary of the previous lessons and the question and answer session. Okay, we will be tackling 2 modules per week. Okay, now the uploaded lessons will be uploaded, the pre-recorded lessons will be uploaded every Sunday and Wednesday at exactly 5 p.m. So just because you remember, you subscribe and hit the notification bell every Sunday and Wednesday at exactly 5 p.m., you will be notified, or you can just go to your YouTube and then you will find the recorded lesson of that particular week. Okay, and the live lesson will be given the following day at exactly 7 p.m. So that means we will upload 1 lesson we'll upload the pre-recorded lessons. It's on Sunday at 5 p.m. and the next day, which is Monday, 7 p.m., we'll be doing the live session, okay, the live lesson, where it will be a summary of the previous lesson and question and answers. All right, so that goes for Wednesday. It's the pre-recorded at 5 p.m. and then tomorrow, the next day, which is Thursday, at 7 p.m., we will be giving a live lesson. Okay, now remember, if you have any questions, okay, do not hesitate to send us those questions via the comment section. Okay, please feel free to leave us any questions you might have in the comment section, and I will do my level best to answer them as quick as possible. All right, now remember, I am giving this course for free. That is because I wish somebody had done the same for me when I started. Okay, I wasted a lot of money. I lost people's money 3 times. Okay, the first time it was my money, which I was supposed to use to do other stuff, but then I invested into trading and I lost it 3 times. Okay, I would have given up, but I didn't. Okay, I kept going. I took a lot of courses and I spent a lot of money in those courses. Okay, but then I wish somebody would have given the course for free, which is what I'm doing now. I'm giving the course for free because I wish somebody would have done the same for me. Okay, and I'm giving free signals to make sure that you get a head start, to make sure that you can get to a point where you start with 0 amount. Okay, but then everything will be explained as we progress through all the courses, and I hope you're excited as I am, and I'll see you in the course. Cheers, guys.